How to assemble this tricycle. Tools required for assembly: pliers, screwdriver. Take the main body. Insert axle to main body. Place rear wheel to axle. Fix wheel with help of quarter pin. Place rear wheel cap. Fix front wheel complete to handle with help of machine screw nut. Fix handle to main body with help of handle pin. Insert flute pipe to main body. Fix flute pipe with help of bush screw. Fix movement rod with flute pipe with help of nut. Fix movement rod with front handle with help of nut. Place parental handle to flute pipe. Place rear basket to main body with help of machine screw nut. Fix seat to main body with help of butterfly nuts. Place headrest to main body. Insert canopy to main body with help of plastic nut. Open the battery cap. Insert the batteries. Now this Funride tricycle is ready for your baby to use.